Tell me what you wanna do. Your fantasy, baby, I can make them true. Everything you dream about, I dream about. We gon' be out. Baby, we gon' be okay. Fuck the hater, fuck what they gon' say, they gon' say. But anyways, how you do today? You get them ends, at that lose your weight. We cut away, and then we get away. And then we blow the trees, and have a better day. She said okay, she call me daddy. I call her mama, we living happy. They say I'm savage, my life. I'm living one time, one life. 2 times for my nigga hard head. 2 shots for the nigga who broke dead.
That's what we do, cause she hiding me. And I know she knew liking me. It's like what she seen. That's mama getting her today. Hit it from the left to the kitchen, from the table, what I'm missing.
Hey.
Living room upstairs in the trap, put it on the side, and I understand.
Say, have you ever your rider gon' ride with you? She gon' ride with you. You ride with you. Say, have you ever had to feel? Have you ever feel like your rider? She gon' ride with you. She gon' ride with you.
Back 2004, I was 13 and I really had my first time fucking hoe. You already know that I'm always on the low. On the microphone, I'm doing like a phone. Pretty niggas so low, these niggas so lame. And I'm Hall of Fame, call me LeBron James, they call me the king, all up in my brain. That nigga Big James, I got the sick game, hit it in the
Have you ever feel?
When the lights gone, turn it black, here we go, put a rodeo,
Have you ever
like
feel?
a merry-go,
She told me, Daddy, you the king. So I told her, but baby, you my queen. And we ain't got no rings, but what we got is real. If you feel like how I feel, then we gon' do the deal. Just ride with a nigga. Passenger side, just drive with your nigga. Blunt, get high with your nigga. Homicide, 4-5, gon' ride with your nigga. See, everything under the sun. Black Hitler, Malcolm Kong, King Kong, like Martin Luther. Get the picture, I got thoughts, I can see the future. I just need a loyal woman, a soldier, somebody that gon' show me something. Shit, somebody gon' eat the pain, somebody gon' be there to hold me down through the rain. Say I done did and I done lost and I done had, and I'm gon' get it back, and I'm gon' get the ass, and I'm gon' act the ass. And mama told me it's gon' be alright, but I be getting mad, cause when my pocket's broken, they getting sad, then my chest gon' drag.
Nigga, straight lit. Hey, wasn't they lit though at the end?
Yeah.
That nigga went hard than a motherfucker, didn't it? Damn, son.
Say, have you ever feel that you gon' ride with you?
You put
Have
me on.
you
You
ever
right there,
feel how
shit.
to feel? I swear to
That
God,
shit
she
right
gon'
there
ride
was
with
hard than the
you. She
mother-
gon' ride with you. Have you ever feel? Guess what though? It's recorded.